مرحبا we will have fun guys تخميت وعلو دحان دقنيكم طفئ إلناكم مش that's okay alright كم تلو مركا حبشة education متسينا لنا حوات لو ما عند حزنا يعني متس فيديو كاب you know كاب تم كي ناي real estate investors ممهران follows قبرم أنا سمعهم دم ببلهم مصحفتهم مالتي so انت عانت مخري امز هبو انت امز قبرو ناو ابن هاتو مجمريا who's the guy نزبل حتو شر قبركمي فاميلار تخونو هم بزحسبات من البات انت زي كونكم ان so سمو Grant Cardone إبهال تقول لهم عليه this guy is ناشدشم 80 million net worth زلو like I have to زلو asset I conclude زلو I know asset could be billions of billions net worth زلو big money damn it right so انت اي نزسرح نزبل حتى اب ريل استات زنطفي so انت عانت مخري يذهب كمجري اب ريل استات زنطف alright نحنا خانا تمرت تخافلت كون اقطعمي تمارن لو ما عندن لايف الله وزن قدمي نيو ييرز كنت معد 3 سنوات لايف الله قال جست فولوز قبريز مهر لي مالتي so انت عايز تقم كوريانا نابو قدم تاونا غن راي this guy is a big guy كم جروب يمزخدو نقراكم that's why to main important نحنا كم حبشة نسونا زلنا حدا نقريدي so نسو زبقصو جروب جيلو خوينا يمزخدو تريق مالهم مسو invest قبرو he led in it lady قبرانسا then شعو down payment ببي ندواتو يخدو he's making this كساب شدش 100 مليون خون وناني مالتي so نسو ترى يكون millionaires there's a lot بزحات مسو millionaires هالو مالتي so قدمو نابو تاوي so connection with Trump زلوا نقرأكم he has an interview with Trump interviewer نيرو أبز حلفه then at connection أنت يمثل أنت is Trump خنتاي الوايو أنا بأخا خناتين أحوات مالتيو alright let's go this he has an interview with Trump interviewer نيرو if I am sure yes بقولهم
to have real estate as part of their portfolio?
I think real estate is got to be part of a portfolio. First of all, there are tax advantages, depreciation. A lot of people, you'll look at a project and you'll have a loss. Now, not good for your ego, but it made money, but you don't pay tax. And it shows after depreciation, you have a loss. A lot of times they'll analyze my stuff. They'll say, well, you lost money. I say, yeah, I lost money. But you're not losing money. That loss, you can carry it over to other jobs where you're making a profit. So real estate from the standpoint of tax benefits has been great. It's such a big business. There's so many people heavily invested that the laws have stayed, generally speaking, they've stayed very strongly in favor of investing in real estate. I mean, depreciation's a real thing.
It's very real.
Yeah, it's real. There is depreciation, but there's also paper depreciation. And that's a great advantage to real estate that many other businesses don't have.
How important do you think it is to have real estate as part of their portfolio?
I think real estate is got to be part of a portfolio. First of all, there are tax advantages, depreciation. A lot of people, you'll look at a project and you'll have a loss. Now, not good for your ego, but it made money, but you don't pay tax. And it shows after depreciation, you have a loss. A lot of times they'll analyze my stuff. They'll say, well, you lost money. I say, yeah, I lost money. But you're not losing money. That loss, you can carry it over to other jobs where you're making a profit. So real estate from the standpoint of tax benefits has been great. It's such a big business. There's so many people heavily invested that the laws have stayed, generally speaking, they've stayed very strongly in favor of investing in real estate. I mean, depreciation's a real thing.
It's very real.
Yeah, it's real. There is depreciation, but there's also paper depreciation. And that's a great advantage to real estate that many other businesses don't have.
All right. So he just nailed Trump مالتي good point. What does that mean أحوات نزي أخذ قلت عن إيش تيك أدمنا بتتعشم أنت إيه depreciation so I gotta share my board كل شيء على لاب زيا أنت إذا بلنا نازل ترامب زي كون حافظ شاوي ملعب كل تي مالتي why it really make you have times قبرك wells قبرك هذا زي كونه what is the depreciation تتقمنا real estate كل شيء أنا قلت إن أحواتهم سنوات مهاركو تفلتوا أهم جن let's go with it let's put it this أحوات كن قلت أنا مالتي. All right. So I know sure Allah alaikum. Okay. So Trump and the Grant Cardone in time تزاربهم real estate it's حلوة portfolio كله زلوي portfolio مالت حوات ناتكا investment ناتكا زلكا سمع الله خليه تبو اسكي حدا بلني سمع انت اللي تي ناتكا investment أتعلن تبلو وفري أوفرخا real estate قصر حدا كهلو زلوا إلنا انتاي تقند تقمان تاع depreciation بلنا تنحي depreciation انتاي مالتيو let's say this كنقرأكم okay نحنتي إفعالي single family home and commercials إفعالي حوات single family home and commercial تنجزينا let's say نقابلنت نقوله 1 مليون هبكا commercial تجزء simple word okay then إذا 1 مليون هبكا كوميرشال تجزء اوكي اذا 1 مليون هبكا كوميرشال مس جزء كا تديبريشن از قال زلو حوات اوكي بالي خد جزء هلخا ميبي تخلت 100 شح 200 نبولو كلت 100 شح ناي لاند خوني خلي بالي نايت مالت نايت مرت ات 800 شح جن انت خوني خلي نايتي بيلدين او زلو تهاني زلو خوني خلي سو نسخه ازي هبكا سلاز جزء كا ديبريشن نزي نس 39 عامه نت محمشن تمقلو مالت Alright, I have my calculator there. So شمنتم يتشح. So استمقلو نسالسان تشعتن نت بحموش تنحركينا almost كبابي عسرة الشحن كل تميتن 53 قالنا. Okay, what is that depreciation? نحنا okay, why is this? Okay, أزلنا why change it? Come on. I don't need this. Alright, change the colors. Goodness, alright. Thank you. So ازي alright حانتي كوميرشال جزينا 1 مليون هبا جزينا ننزلنا alright نزيا كباب قلت ميتشح نايلاند واغان بلو اسو ديبريشيت يجبرني اتي ستراكشر اتي تهانيت زلو بادي او زلو جن كباب شومنت ميتشح كوين لان بلو سو ازي كباب شومنت ميتشح نسالسان تشعتن عامه فرعان نمقلو كوميرشال سلازخونت سينجل فاميلي هوم تزخون نيرغن 27 and a half مالتي 27 or 29 I don't know don't quote me with that so 39 عامة فرعان نقبره so إذا نحنا عمتاوي depreciate عسرة شحن كل 253 سنة وقدل بدنا له انتي مالتي زي اوكي نايزي هذا من الهبكات جزء كان ابنت شمنت شح خون انتي لك شمنت شح خون رنت عليه اللوكا اتاون بلو شمنت شح خون اتاوي يهلو ابو ورحن بلو تايمز 12 نقبرن ديتن كا اوكي تايمز 12 then ab amat kababi 96 شح اتاول لك خبزه غزازي ان ملا مالتي income كاي so كابزي عمت كبابي 96 شح maybe mortgage كا 5 شح خوني خليون ابنت مالتي mortgage تخفلو and then insurance and property tax مس كل ملو تماقيلو maybe like you know نبلو رحان almost like شح قرشي كنبلو نخلنا انا ابنت مالتي so تقلالا نسخه 6 شح تخفل مالتي 6 شح وصايدات كالو اول حي تايمز 12 تقبرها خاصه 6 شح alright دربحو 10 تخلته alright نسخه وصايدات كخا برد قبراي 7 كل تنشح نزي انا ختون مالي 7 كل تنشح قالك مالتي سلازي زغودلو مس 96000 اندحر امصينايا نسخه عيس at the end of the year you profited let me change that you profited 24 شحن 24 شح دولار اكبابي انت غير كلها profit غير كلها مخسب كسب كلها alright okay then زي 24 شح سكجوال اي خوينا فايل كوينا ناب تاكس تخيل مالتي قال ابزي اخا ديبريشيشن تقملاتك اوكي تكنيكالي انت ايز بلنا زلو فايل كتقبر كلها تاكس نسخه so you lost the امزر ابل نيرو like lost نحركنا ولا صوت كونت خلي انا ابنا so نسخه اذن 24 شح كسيبه دا ابل مبر تاكس نزيان كتكفل لنا لك شو زين قاعد تقول لنا دا ديبريشيشن قبر كاتا 20 شحن كل 253 قاعد تقول لنا so نسخه an average ابزا بروبرتي زيا ناي كباب 3 شح طرح فايل تقبر تاكسي that's so sweet what دسبل yes 24 شح غير كاخا make profit غير كاخا حوات 24 شح دا بروفيت قبر دا امبر اتا ديبريشيشن نسالسان تشعتن عامه فرعان تمقيلو زمص ገንዘብ ንሱ يوغدلولو so technically كباب 3 شح طرح قرص تخفل نايزي 3 شح tax bracket كان 24 كوينو maybe like you know 3000 مسي خالي المقال مالتي مسكالي خيري خون almost just 700 قلن تكفلها قرش مالتي alright كذا according Trump انتايلو mostly like that's why Trump by the way ابزي حزن Trump 750 قرش زخفل ازي ميلا سلطقمي كذا انتايلو ميلا اوكي اقدام زاني 1 مليون كوينو تريفو وصايتاتا نبلا بريك ايفن تخون مورجاجا 6 شح خون نبلو ان بروبرتي انشورانس بروبرتي تاكس كلها 2 شح نبلو نابنت then تقلالا كانسل قبر بجحوات تقلالا دامن ኣብ ሪል ስቴት ሎስ ዘርእዩ ማለት እዩ that's what it is እቲ መክሰብ ገብሩ ሎስ እዮም ዘርእዩ መስሊ so 2000 6000 ንስኻ ኣለካ ጠቕላላ 8000 ኣለካ 8000 ወፃኢታትካ ኦኬ 8000 ዓታዊታትካ ስለዚ ኩሉ ብዚ ክንከዶ ከለና ንኣብነት እንተኮይኑ ማለት እዩ መስሊ ሪል ስቴት ብሕልፊ ተቀዳማይ ካብ 1 ዓመት እስካብ 5 ዓመት ገንዘብ ኣይትገብርን ኸዋት ብሬክ ኢቭን እንዳገበርካ ክትኸይድ ስለዚ ንስኻ ካብ ወፃኢታትካ 96000 ንበሎ so technically zero ርኢኻ ኣለኻ ሎስ ርኢኻ ኣለኻ ማለት እዩ so still you have carry on to go ብረ ገንዘብ እንታይ ኣለካ እዚ 20000 and then 255 ኣለካ depreciation alright ካብዛ property ኣይከሰብኩን then W2 ይህልወኒ ወይ ከዓ ካልእ ቢዝነስ ይህልወኒ ኢንካም ይህልወካ ሽዑ already ካብዚኣ መክሰብ ኣይረኸብካን ካብ ካልእ ኢንካም ከዓ መፅዩ ንበሎ እንታይ 100000 መፅ ኣምፂኻ ንበሎ then እዛ depreciation እዚ ኣብ ዝረኸብካ ሎስ ንሳ ማይናስ ትገብራ 20253 ትገብራ 20000 ክንብላ ኢና ነቲ sake of net calculation so ንስኻ ቀረፅ ትኸፍሎ ናይ 80000 boom this is sweet ኣህዋት I'm telling you እዚ በጣዕሚ maybe like what is this what is it? No it's a lot this is a lot anybody ገንዘብ ዝገብር ካብ 10000 ንላዕሊ እንድሕር ኮይኑ single እንድሕር ኮንካ ታክስ ትኸፍልኻ 10% minimum tax bracket ዝበሃል ኣሎ ድሕሪ 12% ትቆፅልኻ ድሕሪ ናብ 15 12 24 እንዳበልካ ትቆፅል tax bracket ኣለኩም ሰለስተ ክፋል ምሂር ኣለና ኣብ ታሕቲ ኸይድኩም this is Trump and Grant Cardone ዘረብ ዘሎ ኣብዚ ንስኻ already loss ርኢኻ ኩሉ ወፃኢታትካ depreciate ክትገብር ትኽእልኻ the most important ነታ depreciate መክሰብ ዝገብራ ዘሎ alright let's go with this okay others alright أجا تصني حاجة so كله زقرب شرط قبل اشتك أبزع تايز قبل جران مالت سبزي معروف هندسي انت تايز سرح نزل الحوات كاردون life على لوس actually هجي حوات his life now too live تمالي زقبرا not today alright see حجزوا منسو بناتو طبب بناتو خلت بناتو عقمي he's just very powerful man زم سبعة زياتهم لوت خمس قبر listen this almost 2 minutes
300 units now over about 3,300 units now 170 million of assets
33 units now غير لهم 170 million asset علني that's big money 330 million sorry 3300 units مالت 3300 unit apartment مالتي 170 million asset علني
under management and all of this really became possible because through the Cardone group I've gone from
Miss Cardone group this is people are in a group these people are coming on like coming everywhere everywhere መፅኦም እቲ ማርኬትና monopolizers ገብሮ ዘሎ ወይ ከዓ ዝቋፀሮ ዘሎ these people ከምዚኦም ዝኣመሰሉ ማለት እዩ this is millionaires and billionaires ማለት እዩ
from 10 million in assets when I started this to 50 million in assets under management and now my mindset shift to this by doing a deal that is going to double my whole portfolio.
Before Grant Cardone, I had 3 single-family rentals. Next week will be a full year. I'll have 568 total doors.
Wow, look this. Celeste single-family home alani blalo. Celeste house in the loani blalo. Then next year it's going to be 586 units apartment gaze because of him. What the hell? What they are doing it? This later.
Gone from just single-family homes to now looking at 2,951 storage units.
This is cap single family home nab storage units. This is big money.
And I couldn't be happier.
So before I met Grant Cardone in 2022, I had been investing in single family homes and flip properties. I am now a passive investor in almost 500 doors.
I was doing, like single units, 4plexes, maybe an 8plex here. And I've actually closed on a 50-unit deal, almost an $8 million deal.
Before I met Grant Cardone, I had about 12 Airbnbs doing about $20,000 a month. Time to right now, I went from 12 units to 800 units.
Wow, look this. ካብ 12 unit ናብ 800 unit almost 20,000 حمانز ኣብ ወርሒ ይገብር ነይሩ ማለት still it's a lot of money 20,000 ማለት እዩ still big money I wish we can get that so he moved that now 800 units so this unity this community is like how he's moving forward.
I've tripled my income and I've more than doubled my net worth.
Prior to 10X, I was a licensed hairstylist, 30,000 a year. Now I'm a full-time real estate investor. I made 50 to 100,000 a month.
Look this lady ቅድሚ ግራንት ካርዶን 30,000 ዝገብር ነይረ ንዓመት ኢንካማ ሕጂ ግን ካብ 50 ክሳብ 100,000 እማንስ that's stupid. All right, this is how real estate is sweet ማለት እዩ. All right, let's go.
From one property to approximately 330 doors in a matter.
This guy is ካብ ሓንቲ property ናብ 330 property units. They are working together. So እዛ ቪዲዮ እዚኣ ንምንታይ እትምፃ ዘለኹም ኣሕሲልኩም ክልተ ነገር እዩ መጀመርያ so ንመሃሮ what they are doing ካልኣይ ነገር ትምህርቲ ቁፅሪ ክልተ ከዓ how the people be in a group in a community change their lives of peoples so ክልተ መልእክቲ ዘለዎ okay ብዓብይ ትምህርቲ ኣለና ካልኣይ ነገር ከዓ this millionaires ከመይ ገይሮም እዮም ዝሰርሑ ዘለዉ that's why they are monopolized they are covering all these units ዝሰርሕዎ ዘለዎ ማለት እዩ
3 months.
I started out with like 7 doors, which was all single family. So have a little bit over about 3,300 units now, 170 million of assets under management. And all this really became possible because through the Cardone group.
I've gone from 10 million in assets when I started this to 50 million in assets under management. And now my mindset shift to this by doing a deal that is going to double my whole portfolio.
Before Grant Cardone, I had 3 single-family rentals. Next week will be a full year. I'll have 568 total doors.
I have gone from just single family homes to now looking at 2,951 storage units. And I couldn't be happier.
So before I met Grant Cardone in 2022, I had been investing in single family homes and flip properties. I am now a passive investor in almost 500 doors.
I was doing,
500 doors. Okay. So this is the message first of all. What? Wow. I know everybody can all this tax benefits and this is all the beautiful things. Yeah. Thanks to America, right? America is so sweet for this. real estate ብጣዕሚ sweet. I don't know. ማለት ኣብ ካልእ ፍልሊ ክህልዎ ይኽእል ካናዳ 3 years term እዩ ዘለኩም ኣብ በዓል ኣሜሪካ ግን this is a lot of big opportunity ዘለዎ ዓዲ ኢና ንዛረብ ዘለና ኣሕዋት all this መእተው ዝገበርናዮ ትራምፕ ተዛረቦ ምስ ግራንት ካርዶን as tax depreciation that's we showed lost ኢኻ ተርኢ then lost ኢኻ ግን it can be like benefit. All right, let's go to Sam Azer's night Grant Cardone ትማሊ ዝገብሮ ነበረ ገለ ካብቲ ዝመሰጠኒ ንእሽተይ ቆራሪፀ ዘምፅኽዎ ኣሕዋት ኣይቆረፅኩን እኳ simple ኣብሎ then so overall ግን እቲ መልእኽተይ I hope ሒዝኩም ንክትኮኑ ተስፋ ይገብር so let's focus not only as a single person or one or two so focus as a group kunka millions of kutun እንትኽልኻ ነዚ down payment ኣብዚ ኣዘምፃ history ላ ብጣዕ 28 ደቂቃ ኣሕዋት ቁርብ እንዳዘርዘር ክመጽ መስል ግን ክሰምዑ ትኽእሉ ኢኹም በኋላ English simple term ይዛረብ ዘሎ so let's see what the tricks ኣብ ዝፃወት ዘሎ ማለት እዩ all right let's go turn on back the stage display bam
Why is real estate better than other investment classes?
መጀመሪያ እንታይ ይዛረብ ዘሎ there is some back and forth ማለት why real estate better than other asset management classes ካብ asset ማለት ካብ crypto ንበሎ ካብ stock ንበሎ whatever ካብ ካልእ ንበሎ why real estate the best ክገልጸልና why like it doesn't mean like all ዝብሎ ገለገለሎ እውን ኣነ ታሽም ዝገድፎ ማለት ከም ደስ በለውን ገለገለ ዘይ ሳምዓካ ከሊ ነጥብታት ትሪኦ ማለት ግን ስለምንታይ real estate the best ካብ ካልእ asset ይብለና ኣሎ. All right, he's going to explain that نسمعها but I really agree at that point بتعمي سامعك إنه هجوم فيديو قلت أنا راح واحد 5 شهر تلي كابرت استد abstractable قلت أنا راح so the way I can see it's long term quality. All right, let's see that
Classes for all you crypto bros, okay, all you Bitcoin maximalists, the gold bug people, okay, you guys that like to invest in stocks and you like to freaking buy on margin, and my boys the Nigerians who like to do their margins and their puts and their calls and their bullshit. Okay, I'm going to show you why real estate's better than all of those. Number one, they're better than stocks. It's better than stocks. It's better than cash for sure. Okay, make a note on number two. You cannot save money. It's impossible. Quit trying to do it. It's a myth. It's a lie. The banks told you to save money. You're not saving money. You're losing money. Understand, when you leave money at a bank, you're losing money. Number three, IRAs. Why is real estate better than an IRA? You're 50 years old.
Okay. حوات دحان أمانكم قلنا قلت أعرف مالت نايتروتا جنزب يا حوات نايتروتا جنزب سي كاب نايتروتا جنزب كاب ستاك كاب كريبتو كاب whatever كلهم كريبتو بحبشة أو بيتكوينز and then كاب كلهم okay the real estate's the best I know the sweet real estate so كاب ناي إيه قلت لنا خمئيو كاب ناي كم زفلة كاب نايتروتا جنزب علني إلكا تقمتو جنزب سي سلمنتايو real estate بلز مالتي do you know like حنتير جزارة حشكة ولا ناي أريت لكمني أنا خمس بلي ناي like one home like مالتي so let's see why he's explained it سلام تاي explain قبل
I'm sorry, you're 42 years old. You're retiring when you're 72. You contribute to your IRA for 30 years. Okay? You don't pay taxes today, 19% or 20%, 15%. You don't pay taxes today, so that when you are 72 years old, you will be forced by the IRS to withdraw. This is true, what I'm telling you right now. You will be forced by the IRS, the I, R, and the S, to withdraw 4% a year for the next 25 years, which will make you 97 years old. You will be forced, whether you need the money or not, you will be forced to withdraw your money when interest rates could be as high as 69%. So do you want to pay taxes now at 19 and control your money for the next 30 years? Or do you want to pay taxes? Imagine you're 80 years old and let's say you had $1 million here, or let's say you had $4 million. Check it out. IRS is going to be like, you have $4 million in your IRA. You have to withdraw $160,000 a year. You have to, even if you don't need the money, by the way, you have to withdraw the $160 a year. And out of the $160 a year, we're going to keep.
We made USAA for homeowners who like being ready. That's why we have safety tips for things like fires, home security, and USAA insurance just in case. USAA, what you're made of, we're made for. USAA.
Sorry guys, I was
the time has come to
on the advertisement.
The time has come to push the
Let's say it's only 50%.
Yeah, okay.
We're going to keep $80,000. You would be much better off dissolving your IRA today. Or better than that, you're 72 years old. You have $2 million invested in real estate because you've been stashing it away. And when you're 72 years old, rather than selling your real estate that's now worth $10 million because it went up in value, okay? Now you withdraw not 4%, you withdraw whatever amount you want because it cash flows at, say, 5% a year. So 100 grand a year is free cash flow. You withdraw the cash flow, the free cash flow, you withdraw that from the real estate investment, and you still have your $10 million of equity in your real estate. You never tap it. With the IRA, what are you going to do? Withdraw from it 4%.
All right, let me explain the other what. Okay, two night rota عيني تزلنا. IRA traditional IRA زبحلالو ويكا لك كم 401k زخيرالو and then روز IRA زبحلالو. So to traditional IRA ويكا لك كم like 401k ود 7 عامت ود 7 كلتن عامت مسكونك تجددها خطوط قلي جنزبك. Okay, so قلي جنزبك خطجدد سلازحونك خطوط أو أنت أبعتها شجر زلوا مهنياتنا أوتو جنزب قدمي تاكسي خاي كفل كاخطوه سو ابو يعبي then تاكسي تخفل له مالتيو مودة تخطوه تقول لها almost 4% 6% الو رينج مالتيو so ወዲ 72 ምስ ኮንካ በብቁርብ እንዳውፅኻ so ከተውፅኦ ከለኻ ሽዑ ታክሲ ክትከፍልካ ኢሉና ዘሎ ሽዑ ታክሲ ብራኬት እዚ ሕጂ ዘለና ብሓያስ 37 ሽዑ ታክሲ ብራኬት maybe 40% ክኸውን ይኽእል 50% ክኸውን ይኽእል that's a good argument good point but otherwise he don't want to say that Rosa Are let me say that I don't know why he skipped that ማለት እዩ Rosa Are ዝበሃል ካሎ ማለት እዩ Rosa Are እንድሕር ኮይኑ ግን ሓደ መጀመርያ withdrawal ንክትገብሩ ኣይትግደድን ኢኻ one ካልኣይ ነገር ከዓ ሕጂ ከፊልካ ተእትዎ ታክሲ ሞ then ኣብኡ ምስ ዓበየ ድሕሩ at the end of the time ወዲ 70 ካብ ወዲ 59 ዓመት ንፈርቃን ምስ ኮንካ ስዊት ትጥቀመሉ ብዘይ ታክሲ ማለት እዩ he don't want to say that ምክንያቱ ነቲ ካልእ ከተብለሎም ትኽእል እያ so there is one በሓንቲ ወይ ዝኸዳ ዘሎ because you know always in the real estate ኣምፂኻ ንዕኡ ክትዕወት እንዲሁ it's a good point he has a good argument he's a good guy I don't know ዝወደር ዘብል ኣይኮንኩ ዘሎ ኣሕዋት ግን ሮዛ ኤረ ተጠቕሳ ነይሩ ግን ሮዛ ኤረ the other ways ብኻልእ ወያ ሮዛ ኤረ ኢንቨስት ትገብሩ ኣሕዋት ሕጂ እውን ኣብ ESM ዘለኹም not personal advice so honest ኣብ ሮዛ ኤረ ኢንቨስትመንት የብለይ እንድሕር ትብለኒ ኮንካ like stock invest ትገብረ real estate ካልእ ገብረ እንድሕር ትብለኒ ኮንካ man that's a sweet ነገር don't pass ይስብለካ ንሳሲ ኣይትሕለፋ ምክንያቱ ሕጂ ተእትዎ ገንዘብ ማክሲማም 7000 ካ ተእቱ ትኽእል ኣብ ዓመት ሕጂ ተእትዎ ገንዘብ ኣብኡ ኣትዩ ከፊልካ ኢኻ እታ 7000 ቀረፅ ከፊልካ ኢኻ ተእትዎ ኣብኡ ኣትዩ 2 ሚልዮን ይኹን 3 ሚልዮን ይኹን at the end of the day ኣብ ዓመት 7000 ክትእትወሉ ትኽእል ኢኻ ኣብ ዓመት 2000 ክትእቱ ትኽእል ኢኻ 1000 ክትእቱ ትኽእል ኢኻ ከም ድላይካ ኮታስ ከም ደስ በለካ ካብ 7000 ንላዕሊ ጥራሕካ ክትእቱ ዘይትኽእል እምበር ካብ 7000 ንታሕቲ ክትእቱ ትኽእል ኢኻ እዚ ከዓ መሰረት ኣሎ ኢንካምካ ደረት ኣሎ ማለት እዩ بعد حدار نحر كونكا 250 كا ونلعب نحر كينو عمل كتكاني سينجل نحر كونكا خباب 250 نحر كينو عمل كتكاني don't quote me with the numbers مالت او نمبرات الله مالت فيز اوت ندا قبل يزخيد so او ذا اتوا ገንዘብ ተስላ ግዛ አፕል ግዛ አማዞን ግዛ ሜታ ግዛ ብሮዝ አረን ድሕር እቲኻዮ ኣብኡ እቲኻዮ 7000 ን30 ዓመት ወዲ 30 ድሕር ኮንካ ሕጂ 7000 ድሕር እቲኻዮ ለይ ኣብ ተስላ it's going to be about 3 million 4 million ከሆነ at the end of ድሕር 30 ዓመት for sure ከተእትዎ ከተውፅኦ ከለኻ ሽዑ ስዊት you don't pay any penny taxes oh yeah ደስ በለይ like Trump ኸይዱ ካልእ ሕግታት ክቀያር ይኽእል እንዲ ኣብ መንጎ ድሕሪ 10 ዓመት ምክንያቱ we have high ዕዳ ስለ ዘለና of course income ብኹዕ ያ ፀገም ኣይኮነን ኣብታ ንሳ ዝገበሩላ ሕጊ ክስጋባብኣ የብልካ ካብኣ ሕጊ እንድሕር ተቐይራ ናብ ሮዛ ኤረ ታክስ ክንከፍልና ተኢሎምካ then opportunity ለካ withdraw ክትገብሮ ትኽእላ ቅድሞ ምክንያቱ no taxi penalties no taxi fees ክሳብ ወዲ 30 ወዲ 59 ዓመት ፈረቃ እንትኸውን ግን no money ከተውፅእ ኣይትኽእልና ከተውፅእ ትኽእል ኢኻ ግን ፔናሊቲ ለካ 10% ፔናሊቲ እንደገና ቀረፅካ ክትከፍል ኢኻ ቀረፅካ ኣኮርዲናትካ ታክስ ብራኬት ማለት እዩ so ግራንድ ካርደን ተምዛረበ ዘሎ እሱ look this ማለት ምስ ዝኾነ ነገር ከወዳድር ኣይክእልን እዩ yes true very true yeah he's true but let's see ታ IRA ኸይድ ስለ ዘሎ ሮዛ IRA ስለ ዝገደፈ ኣና ክገልጻ ኢለ ተመልሰ ኣሕዋት
so it's all gone so it's taxed you don't get it you got to pull it out and you got to pay them taxes. Could be 50%. Here, you're paying cash flow. You're getting paid on cash flow. This will be taxed at whatever the rate is in the future.
Capital
but
gains.
It's free cash flow at a capital gains rate, lower rate, and you never touch your 2 million, which has become 10 million. This could be in a living trust, by the way. We're just working on that with my kids right now, where I'll take all my real estate, roll it into a living trust, pass it on to my kids as the benefit.
so ልክ ናይ ሓንቲ 2 ሚልዮን ገዛ ወይ ከዓ ኣፓርትመንት ወዳድራ ዘሎ almost 100,000 ትረክብ ኣለኻ like you know salary ወይ ከዓ sorry ካብ rental cash flow ነታ 2 ሚልዮን ግን ኣይቲ ትንክፋንያ ኣብ ኣላ ታክሲ ኣይትኸፍለላን እዩ ዝገልጸልና ዘሎ that's his right so very good benefit ማለት እዩ
beneficiary. I use the money while I'm alive however I see fit, and when I die it passes on to my kids. It's not $2 million passed on to the kids. The cost basis is $10 million. So they can keep it for the next 30 years and it can go from 10 million to 20 million. And they're only going to pay gains when they sell it based on a $10 million price, not a $2 million entry. Okay. You're like, man, I got a lot to learn. My kids is the beneficiary. You're paying cash 4% a year for 20. You withdraw the cash flow, you withdraw whatever amount you want because it cash flow. And when you're 72, you keep $80,000. You would be much better off dissolving your IRA today. Or better than that, you're 72 years old. You have $2 million invested in real estate because you've been stashing it away. And when you're 72 years old, rather than selling your real estate that's now worth $10 million because it went up in value, okay, now you withdraw not 4%, you withdraw whatever amount you want because it cash flows at, say, 5% a year. So 100 grand a year is free cash flow. You withdraw the cash flow, the free cash flow, you withdraw that from the real estate investment, and you still have your $10 million of equity in your real estate. You never tap it. With the IRA, what are you going to do? Withdraw from it. 4% a year for 25 years is 100% withdrawn, so it's all gone. So it's taxed. You don't get it. You got to pull it out, and you got to pay them taxes. Could be 50%. Here, you're paying cash flow. You're getting paid on cash flow. This will be taxed at whatever the rate is in the future.
Capital
but
gains.
It's free cash flow at a capital gains rate, lower rate, and you never touch your 2 million, which has become 10 million. This could be in a living trust, by the way. We're just working on that with my kids right now, where I'll take all my real estate, roll it into a living trust, pass it on to my kids as the beneficiary. I use the money while I'm alive, however I see fit. And when I die, it passes on to my kids. It's not $2 million passed on to the kids. The cost basis is $10 million. So they can keep it for the next 30 years, and it can go from 10 million to 20 million. And they're only going to pay gains when they sell it based on a $10 million price, not a $2 million entry.
All right, let me explain قبل ذي أخاب نحن بورد هوات. All right, أبزيا بوردنا تايز بلنا زلوا. Okay, back this. Got a lot to learn, my friend. Lot to learn. Just make sure I look at your life up there. All right, Grand is doing it. Okay. So cancel كنقبرينا. ريست عنده بس قلتنا مالتي انت إذا لنا زل. Okay. ترارينا أنا روزا عري and كالب بمول ترارينا أنا. ور انت إذا لنا زل. Okay. أبتنا روزا عري. Sorry. نا IRA for 1K. السنتا إلنا. Whatever نسخة ودسوا عن كل تنعبت مسكون كا توصل withdraw تقبره جنزب تقدر خا. So tax تخفل اللخا ناي جدا. زيجن روز IRA no tax. مخنياتو كفيل كأخا هجت أتوا. عنت زي هجت كفيل كاسلوت أتوا. maximum شوعات شيء حق عمد خاطر أتوا. أبزي ولا كل تميلن أنت بتصح جنزب كا. So نزخ توصل تاكسي أي تخفلن أخا. as of now هجت حقي كم إيزلو كم يمكن قصل تسفان جبر. So زيجن أب نا IRA traditional IRA and for 1K it has بلازل إمالتي. other way انت إلنا شو هابار أبريل استت تخوني رازي إلنا أوكي ريل استت تخوني راتها مجمري أنا 401k ويك أنا روز عيرة خطأتو خلها جنزب كاسي ريل استت جزء كاتت تخوني ركا ناي كلته ميلان يبلنا له أوكي أنا كلته ميلان ريل استت جزء كاتت تخوني ركا هجو ود صوب عن كلته عمت مسكون كخندك تمسي قبلنا له so 10 ميلان كتكون تخيل إياه إذا بتزلو he's true very true he's true 10 ميلان كتكون تخيل يعني alright إتا مجمري أنا سخانة بناي hold on guys let me please مجمرة سخان أبناء روزا عري my IRA like not روزا عري please يقرأ تقول لي not روزا عري traditional IRA 401k قبل ده 401k okay نبقى تخيل جنزب كل شيء ريل استات جزء كاتت تخوني ركنا كل تميلان هجباينا 10 مليون وورز ويكا asset ويكا value مخانا نيرو أنت تشيت أتها property ساسي 10 مليون yeah true is true ملاتو appreciate على حمش percent عجبر إذا غير مالتي so كباب ودي 4 كلتن عامت خا جمير كا خا ازيخا ودي 4 كلتن عامت كيركا 30 عامت واليتي 3 years يا لعلو قاد اخت مصيا بايزو 3 years جن نخيت بتا سيمبل زغدا زلو اوكي انت عايز بلنا زلو نزي اجن اي توز ان اخا تاكسي اي تخفل لنا خابلنا اي نو رنتالس اتي كراي رنتالس قالنا كل شيء تزمص كراي عامتاوي تاكس تخفلها نت تاكسها كونويو ترامب دوز جبرنا ديبريشيشن دا جبركا لوس دا جبركا تمص تخلها 4 نتي نو تاكس right depreciation እንዳገበርካ ትመጽእ አይ ነው ተርፈካ ልዕሊ ተወሰነ ግዜ እንዳተረፈ እንዳበዛሕ መጽእ خلي ሕራ ይምጻ so እንታይ ዝም ዘሎ ግን ንስኻ otherwise ነዚኣ ክትጥቀመላ ሕጂ 2 ሚሊዮን ዝገዛእካ 10 ሚሊዮን ኣላ እንድሕር ሸይጥካያ ሕጂ ሕዝን እዚኣ እንድሕር ሸይጥካያ እዚኣ ምክንያቱ 8 ሚሊዮን gain ስለትገብር ዘለኻ capital gain ይባሃል እዚ capital gain ይባሃል እዚ 8 ሚሊዮን capital gain ትገብሮ ዘለኻ almost like maybe 20% ናይዚ ክትከፍል ትኽእልኻ long term ሳብ ዝኾነ so 20% is a lot money ማለት እዩ so what he's saying it IT ሽጣ ዝብለካ ዘሎ እንታይ እዛ buy borrow die ዝባሃል ኣሎ ሕዋት buy borrow die ማለት ግዛእ ተለቃሕ ምት በቃ ምት ላዕላ ኣፋ ትግርኛ ምት ያ ኦኬ እሳይ ጥቅም ዘሎ ኣነ ብ2 ሚሊዮን እንድሕር ገዚኣ ክሳብ ብህይወተይ ዘለኹ ኣነ ይብለና ኣሎ ገንዘብ ክጥቀም ይኽእል ነዚኣ ኮላትሮ ገይረ ነዚኣ ኣትሒዘ ይብለና ኣሎ yes it's true ምክንያቱ ነዚኣ እንተ ላይን ኦፍ ክሬዲት እንተ ሪፋይናንስ እንተ ኢኩዊቲ ነዚኣ ኣትሒዝካ ገንዘብ ባንክ ክህቡኻ ይኽእሉ ይምለካ like on average 7% let's say ب2 ሚሊዮን ዝገዛእኳ 10 ሚሊዮን በፂሓ ስለ ዘላ 1 ሚሊዮን maybe like 5 ሚሊዮን ምስ በፅሐት ንበላ 5 ሚሊዮን ምስ በፅሐት ባሊ ናይ ገዛይ ኣነ 2 ሚሊዮን ክወፅእ ይኽእል ንኣብነት ማለት ናይቱ ካፒታል ጌን let's say እንታይ 5 ሚሊዮን ድሕር ኮይና 3 ሚሊዮን ካፒታል ጌን ኣለካ ናይዚ 3 ሚሊዮን almost 80% ገንዘብ as line of credit ወይ ከዓ equity ወይ ከዓ refinance ጌርካ ክትወስዶ ትኽእልኻ ዝብለና ዘሎ yes ክትወስድ ትኽእልኻ let's say 2 ሚሊዮን ወሲድካ ንበሎ alright 2 ሚሊዮን መስወሰድካ እዚ 2 ሚሊዮን ገዚእካዮ like 1 ሚሊዮን በተሪፍሎ ንበሎሎንካ ከፊልካ ክሳብ ክንዶ then ናይ 3 ሚሊዮን ዕዳ ጌርካ ኣለኻ ታገዛ እዚ ዝረኸብካዮ 2 ሚሊዮን ታክስ ፍሪ ገንዘብ ረኺብካ ኣለኻ instead of ንስኻ ትሸጣ ነዛ ፕሮፐርቲ እዚኣ ሸጥካ ነቲ ዝረኸብካዮ ካፒታል ጌን ነቲ 3 ሚሊዮን ተውፃሲ no ኣብኡ ከለኻ ሸጥካ ሪፋይናንስ ጌርካ ወይ ከዓ line of equity ጌርካ ኣውፃያ እዩ ዝብለካ ዘሎ ምክንያቱ ቀረፅ ኣይትኸፍለላንኻ he is true free taxi ኣሕዋት he is true that's the sweet that's the American sweet real estate in America ብዛዕባ real estate invest ዘዛረብ ዘለኹ ገዛ ምግዛእ ገለ መለ ይኮነ ኣሕዋት ገዛ ምግዛእ like እንደ ግዜ ተዛሪብና this is sweet ማለት okay ብክልተ ወይስ ከተውፃእ ትኽእልኻ ኢና ወይ line of credit ወይ cash refinance ጌርካ ታ 2 ሚሊዮን ኣውፂኻ እዘን ታ 2 ሚሊዮን በእንክ ትናበር ትኽእልኻ ደስ ዝበለካ ነገር ክትገብር ትኽእልኻ ማለት that's what they do alright otherwise ክሸጣ ትኽእልኻ ነዚኣ ሸጥካ 1031 exchange ዝበሃል ኣሎ ኣሕዋት let's say 2 ሚሊዮን ገዚእካ ብ5 ሚሊዮን እንድሕር ሸጥካያ ንስኻ ካልእ ናይ 5 ሚሊዮን ዋጋ ሓንቲ ፕሮፐርቲ ግዛእ ተዳሎ ንክትገዝእ ምክንያቱ ቀረፅ 1031 exchange ክሳብ 180 days ኣለካ መዓልታት ሕጊ ኣለዎ ሩልስ ኣለዎ ክሳብ ናይ 5 ሚሊዮን ክትገዛእ ኣለካ ናይዚኣ 25% down payment ጌርካ ክትከፍልኻ alright let me go with this ነዛ 5 ሚሊዮን ኣብዚሕካያ ነምበር ክትብሉ ትኽእልኹም sorry times 25% 100 almost 1.2 million 1.2 million ይኸውን እንታይ ኣለካ መግዝኢ ነዛ ካልእ ክትከፍልኻ ወል ንሳ እንተ ዘይ ገዚእካ እንተ ዘደሊኻ ግን ብ2 ሚሊዮን ዝገዛእካ ብ5 ሚሊዮን ዝሸጥካያ ናይቲ 3 ሚሊዮን ገንዘብካ ምክንያቱ እንታይ ኢና ዝም ዘለና ሕና 1 2 3 times 20% on average ገንዘብካ almost 600,000 ይኸውን ሕዝኒ almost 600,000 ይኸውን ንአንክል ሳም ታክስ ክትከባኻ so ንስኻሲ 600,000 ታክሲ ንአንክል ሳም ደምሃብ ሕሸካ ወላስ 600,000 አትሪፍካ አናዘር 6 ገዚካ ናይ 5 ሚሊዮን አሰት እንደገና መውናን hey this one right ምክንያቱ ካብዚያ 1.2 ከተወስድ ዘለኻ ካብዚ 5 ሚሊዮን ሸጥካ ዘለኻ ገንዘብ 1.2 ትወስድ ኣለኻ almost 3.8 ሚሊዮን ኣብ ጅብኻ ኣትሉ ማለት okay so that is why by isn't it that is why let me this history never sell real estate never remember ka hasay kamharana kolon tay don't sell real estate blaka never sell real estate not at all so what's why buy borrow and die what does this mean all right ب2 ሚሊዮን ገዚእዋ ግራን ካርዶ ማለት ታዘምጻልና then ህጂ 10 ሚሊዮን ኮይና አላ እዚ ኩሉ ላይፍ ብዚ ንዓኻ ሸጠን ዳ ተጠቀመ ባይ ባረው እንዳገበረ ይነብር ነይሩ ካል አይደለም ፕሮፐርቲ ኣብዚ ሰዓት እዚ መይቱ ናብ ደቁ እዚኣ ናይ 10 ሚሊዮን ክሕልፋ እዩ ሶ ደቁ ካብዛ ሰዓት እዚኣ እንተ ሸይጠማ ብ10 ሚሊዮን ንሱ ምስ ሃቦም ንሱ ምስ መተ no tax what yes እሱ እንድሕር ሸይጥዋ ካይመተ ግን almost ናይዚ 8 ሚሊዮን ናይዚ 8 ላይክ ማና ብ2 ሚሊዮን ስለ ዝገዝኣ ከነጉድለ ኢና ናይቲ ካፒታል ገይርዎ ዘሎ 8 ሚሊዮን እዩ times 20% an average 20% is ዘሎ like 1 2 3 1 2 3 times 20% like you know 1.6 million ይኸውን ቀረጽ ከፍል so he don't want to do that he transferred that real estate ናብ ደቁ ወላ ሓንታ ኣይከፍልንም ካብዚኣ እቶም ደቁ እንተዕብየማ ኪብ እንተ ገይሮማ ናብ 20 ሚሊዮን እንድሕር ኣብፅሕማ like another 10 years እንድሕር ኮይና 20 ሚሊዮን ክትኮን ትኽእል እያ እንድሕር በፂሓ so like ናብ 25 ክብላ ዳሕ ናብ 25 ሚሊዮን እንድሕር በፂሓ እታ 10 ሚሊዮን already ካብቦም ዝወረስዋ ወይ ከዓ ካወለዶም ካብቦም ዝወረስዋ ስለ ዝኾኑ ናታ ቀረጽ ኣይከፍልንም ስለዚ ናይተን ካብኣ ኒኖው ዘው ገበራ appreciate ገበራ ወይ ከዓ capital gains ገበራ 15 ሚሊዮን ናተን ጥራሕዮም ቀረጽ ክኸፍሉ እንተ ሸይጦም ማእም ሰም ከዓ ስማርት ናይ አቦኦም ወይስ እንድሕር ተጠቂሞም ግን ምናልባት ሕጊ ተዘይተቀይሩ ግን we are speaking 20 years 30 years from now እንዛርብ ዘለና ሕጊ ተዘይተቀይሩ ናይ አቦኦም ስማርት ወይ እንድሕር ተጠቂሞም እዚ ተዘይተቀይሩ so they don't pay tax too now some ከዓ buy borrow and die يحلفوا so what does that mean احوات ስለምንታይ ሃብታማት Elon ከምጻልኩም እየ ትማል ክላስ ያ okay Elon why it's not typing all right let me cancel this ስለምንታይ ሳላር ናይ በዓል ኢላን $1 ደሞዝን በዓል ኢላን $1 just $1 a month look this yes Elon Musk CEO of Tesla and the SpaceX has had a salary of $1 per month everybody because they don't want as a W2 income አይደለም they want ቀረጽ ከፍልዮም so እዝን ብሎ ዘለና ስትራቴጂ እንድሕር ስታክ ኮይኑ ማርጂን ይወስዱ ኣብ ሪል እስቴት ተልዮም ከዓ ሪፋይናንስ እንዳገበሩ ካሽ እንዳገበሩ I hope ተመሊሳትና ክትኮን ተስፋ ይገብረን ስለምንታይ ትራምፕ 750 ቅርሺ ጥራይ ዝኸፍል ኣብ ዓመት ንዝብል ሲ this is what the reason ንሶም okay ኣብዛ ሰዓት እዚኣ ንስኻ ቶም ኢንቨስተር ትፈልጥዎም ኣሕዋት ኣብቲ ናትኩም ፖርቶፊልዮ ኣሎ ማርጂን ዝብል ኣብ ታሕቲ ኣሎ almost 6.something% ኢሉ ክንዲ ትዝሒዝኩሞ ዘለኹም 50% ክኸውን ይኽእል ካለ so ነቲ ገንዘብ እዚ ወሲዶም ይጥቀሙ ንሳቶም ናቱ ክንደዮም almost maximum ዋላ 7% ክፈል ማናት 7% ናይ ሓደ ላይክ 100,000 ንበሎ ክፈል instead of 7% ምኽፋል ንስኻ ነቲ 100,000 as a ደሞዝካ as a salary ደሞዝካ እንተኸይር ኮይኑ ወይ ከዓ ሸጥካ እንድሕር ኣምፂኻ 20 ገለ ፐርሰንት ክትከፍሎ which one is the best 7% ምኽፋል ዶ ወላስ 20 ገለ ፐርሰንት rate for HELOC like this as of now as HELOC ጌርካ ክትውፅእ እንድሕር ኮንካ line of credit it's an average 8.43 what this በላይ minimum 399 ክወፅእ maximum is 18 like and it's okay it's like average market of is 8.43 so ንስኻ technically ገዛ ካዲ ቢዝነስ ካዲ ሪል እስቴት ካዲ ሸጥካ ንገንዘብ ንኸተውፅእ እንድሕር ትሸጥ ኣሊኻ ቀረጽ ትኸፍል እንድሕር ኮንካ ዶ ሕሸካ ካይሸጥካ ተውፅእ alright እዚ ኣሎ ኣይትሽጣ ማለት ኣይኮነን ሓበሻ ኤዱኬሽን ዝመሓላልፍ ዘሎ ኢኮኖሚካሊ ንስኻ ስትሮንግ ክትኮን ኣለካ ነቲ another beer another ዕዳ ኢኻ ትውስኸላ ዘለኻ ነታ ገዛ ማለት እዩ ተንገንዘብ ክትብል እተን ገንዘብ ዘውፅኻንካ ኣብ ሞያ ኣብ ካልእ ኣሰት እንድሕር ውዒለን ሪገን ስኻ እንድሕር ናይ 700,000 ገዛ ተለካ ኮይኑ ሕጂ ብ200,000 እንድሕር ገዚእካዮ نبلو 500 شح جين الله كابيتال جين الله نايت 500 شح كباب 9% توصل تخلها 500 شح كباب 9% the sake of the nice 300 شح نبلو 300 شح كاش وسيركا نجازا خان 500 شح لون تطولها ات 300 زوسركا اجن از كان از بزنس تخات كبرو كال ريل استيت تخات جز كال كاش تمس كخون كخلالو حنياتو بيل خاتو سخدلها اونو انس شيت بزنس غزي ابلها قلم وغزا خاشت كبزنس كتوز why I want to sell why don't just cash out like refinance something do it special business in a way in حركوين commercial way in حركوين مها as a tax benefit كأله كمان free all right let's go to grant مالت اوكي it's a lot بزعبا زي مالت حوات بدك زرعيو بدك خرق زلوي كمز easy كونن استوعي الكاون خيري كهند في الكاي كونن you have to learn yourself maths مدمار مقدال كل نجار زي ختم تعلق كاس الكاز خيري كونن مال all right let's finish Grant Cardone تايز بزلو
Okay, you're like, man, I got a lot to learn, bro. Okay, are you committed? Just go back to this. Every time you get confused, what do you go back to? How committed are you? You fall off the horse, you're ice skating, you fall, you're learning how to dance, you look terrible, or how committed are you? That's all you got to go back to. You don't overwhelm yourself. You just go back to how much heart do I have for the game? Okay, I'm not asking you to learn how to dance, by the way. There ain't no money in dancing, Dave. Okay, but he might get married. Right? The heart, man. What is your heart? How committed are you to getting out of the middle class? How committed are you to learning the strategies of the wealthy? How committed are you to, being to becoming a real estate investor where your tax bill every year is $750? You're making millions of dollars. Okay, but your tax bill is $1,000. Like, how committed are you to?
You make millions of dollars, get a tax bill not cost $1,000. What? Yes, it is. million كتكبر تغلى حاجن تخوف لبيلجن حدا شح قرش راي. You know that. حدا شح قرش مجمع إسرع شح زقتو يقبراي. حوات إسرع شح tax bracket حوات tax brackets 2024. single sub conca like this single sub conca نسخة and her like without deduction like نبولو standard what is standard deduction for 2024 all right single 14,600 all right let's do this maths 40,200 نسخة كندي tax خم تخفل كنبركم حوات 40,600 حزمي so نسخة أرزي أنا أمبر لكم أزي أقول الوا ناي سنجل 14,600 أزي أن إيميل كتاخ أن كابتن زلواها أتاوي كتا قد المالتي كينا 14,600 تدمروا حزلي 11,600 حزلي 11,600 بلاس 14,600 26,000 تأتو أب عمد رايوا 26,000 تأتو بعمد 26,000 ندحر تأتو خونك أب عمد أنت تاكس ريدكشن مسقولة ل 14,600 نايزي 11,600 10% تخاف له 11,600 ده بحط 10% ازيك قلعوا لون اليوم قال ملا ستوب شحن 160 تخفل نسخه يس انا اوكي كفلني بلك حدث يا تاكس كريديت الله ماي فريند تشايلد تاكس كريديت بحال single كن نسخه كن this is technically wake up with holdings قبر كاي مسوم تصني حط راح يزملسك بالتكنيكالي نسخه حدا شحن حدا 160 تخفلها أتاوي خان دحر سينجل كونكا 26 شحن كل تبيت ندحر كوين أنت قد سلكا أمري رايكم أنت قد سلكا جنزب كان السخا ناب كبابي 4 قلن شحن دحر كوين خا تاكس براكيت كا تنصرف على 12% خي 26 شحن زقتو سب سينجل كوينو لعلي ترامب يخفل تاكسي So this sweet ነገር is tax bracket ማለት እዚ tax bracket ኣሕዋት በዚ ንኸፍሎ ኢና ንሕና ኣታዊና ንኣብነት ስጋብ 11,600 ብዘይካተን ዲዳክሽን ምሰጉድልና ኢና እዘን ስታንዳርድ ዲዳክሽን ሲንግል ተኾንካ ጎድል ሜሪት ተኾንካ 21,900 ማለት is this 2024 as yeah another pumped up ማለት so this is the way it is. That's how it is. Always the first question in Absum had was if you are investor, stock investor, real estate giver, business giver, how I can save the tax. مخنيات تخفل خابزوح زي تخفل كان مسلك وانا كم اللي سني لك خليني اقول له سلسته go my friend like IRS.com. Let me show you this please. Go my friend. Yes of course تخفل هو again why نسخة بريك تخون قول انت اللي مخا why return يمتصنا بها جنزب let's go IRS.com بحوي see because child tax credit this is all and look these things child tax credit عليك earned income credit عليك because of this two اخا سيف تخون زل خان نسخة قول انت اللي مخا انت اللي مخا كنا جن withholdings جبرك ابو انا حقا حلو فلايسكي هنكم ما هجمه دحارك خفل كله خور للي تبرم كا الله so no matter what you pay it tax ሞትና በህይወት ካለ ተርፈካይ so but ስለምንታይ መለሰካ because of this two earned income and child tax credit እምበር anybody 26 single 26 ክልተ ሚእትን ዝገበረ 10% ከፍል ይጅምር ወላ 10 ቆልዓ ይሃለዎ ብድሕሮ then እቶም ናይ ቆልዑ child tax credit ምስ መፀ የዋራርደሉ ባላንስ አውት እንዳገበረሉ ይመጽ ምክንያቱ ብዙሓት ቆልዑ ስለዘሎ ሰት ካሽ ካብ መንግስቲ ተመላስ ይረኽቡ ገሊኦም نعيكو بزح تملسن نمن شمو اي تملسن نعي انت my friend like مجمريا withholding ناتكا خندي جركا احليف كابو صنيحكا قال اي نغرك انت ام زلو نس قلعلون سنجل ولا خمي that's the way it is so everybody is paying no special millionaire خون billionaire خون the same payment style use لو nothing difference the more اداون تليكا دمر مستعدوا خاب تاكس براكت اندخريت خي كينو اجن كساب 100 شح انتليكا كل خا ذا سيم خا تخفل تاع 10 شح زلو نا 10 شح مسكفله اتنا 100 شح زلو خا كاتن 100 شح تن 10 شح قديم ما عرم من 10 شح خفل دان نايتن 9 شح كا ببدرجه ببستيبل نبل عند خلا سامي يتسلطو نص 10 شح سلطو نسو بعل 100 ስለዝኾነ ብዙሕ ይኸፍል ማለት ኣይኮነ no the same هم ትኸፍሉ ክጅምሩ ከለኹም ክንተን ንስኻ ዘእትኸን ናቱ ከዓ ክንደን ማዕረ ኢኹም ትኸፍሉ ማዕረ ሕዙ ኣዛ ትግርኛ ማዕረ 20 ሽሕ እንተሊካ ንስኻ ንሱ 100 ሽሕ ኣታው እንተልዎ ክሳብተን 20 ሽሕ ዝበፅሕ ማዕረኻ ክልተኹም ማዕረ ኢኹም ትኸፍሉ 10% ስዕነ ንስኻ ኣታዊኻ ስለዝዕል ኣብቲ ዝመፅእ 80 ሽሕ ካብኡ ከዓ እቲ ታክስ ብራኬትካ እንዳተፈላለየ ይፋላለ ማለት እዩ so simple እታ term ክንሕዛ ዘለና ወሪጎ hold on እታ term ክንሕዛ ዘለና እዚያ ሰንተንስ ኣሕዋት ንስኻ 10% ድሕሩ ኣታዊኻ ካብዚ 11,600 ካብዚ ልዕል እንድሕር ኮይኑ 47 ድሕር በፂሑ 12% خفل 22 24 32 35 37 by the way Trump in up the 40 like 39 and up to 37 Trump مليسو زلو this is what we are waiting هجي Trump ስመፀ ነዝታት ቃይረ ኢና ንፅበዘልና ሓደ እዚ እንደገና ካ corporation tax ማለት this was tax benefit and he's going to create inflation በሃደሎ ማለት okay there is a video what ብዛዕባ እዚ ክልተ ሰለስተ ቪዲዮ ኣሎ ብቃ ብትኮር ንሕሪኢኹም so the message is think not how to invest فليتكا نحراليخا how to save money flat by taxing advantage. All right, let's go to Grant.
Building real wealth when you sleep. Now, why is real estate better than stocks, cash, IRAs, 401ks, gold and silver, crypto, and even your own business? Why? There's a lot of reasons, okay? There's a lot of reasons why. Number one, it's real. Number two, 24/7, 365. It's always there, okay? When you can't work anymore, it still works. Cash flow. Okay? Tax write-offs. Tell me how these other things. Tell me what tax write-offs stocks have. None. Cash, none. IRAs, none. 401ks, none. They don't have tax write-off. They have tax penalties that they're delaying into the future when taxes are higher. Gold and silver, no tax benefits. Crypto, zero tax benefits. Your own business, maybe, but you're having to work it every day, okay? This is 24/7. I don't have to work. Cash flow. No cash flow from stocks, no cash flow from cash, no cash flow from IRAs, no cash flow from...
There is cash flow from stock. Come on, Gordon. Come on, Brian. There is a cash flow from stocks. What it calls our dividend. All right. Let me just help you. And then don't forget the Rosa too. Cash flow, allo, cab stock, dividend. But is that dividend good income? No. Like maybe not a lot. ማለት ኳርተር ከመጻካ ኸሊ ንስኻ እንድሕር ኢንቨስት ኣብ እንዳ ኮካ-ኮላ ኢንቨስት ስታክ እንድሕር ጌርካ so you can have there is cash flow. Yes, this look that 3.11% ተመላሲ ገንዘብ ካለካ ማለት like every quarter a year ኣብ ዓመት dividend yields ማለት 3.10 ሓደ cash flow like is this too much? Not, of course not with the real estate. I agree with that, but this is a cash flow too. So but Coca-Cola is how about growing 5 years? It's about 12.83 grows the within whole 5 years. Okay, ንስኻ ባ ኢንቨስት እንድሕር ጌርካ the only get it like 3.11% cash flow ጥራሕ ክትረክብ ዘለካ ምክንያቱ 5 years 12.83% ጥራሕ grow grass like you are not benefit የብልካ. Of course better real estate is better than this, but cash flow, there is cash flow. Miscommunication kind of حوات. There is some but not ክንብሎ ከለና I don't want to say no خبلا አይደለም አሎ ግን not much dividend ማለት dividend stock እንድሕር ኢንቨስት ትገብር ኮንካ. All right, let's go.
401ks. There is no tax flow, cash flow from gold and silver. There is no cash flow from crypto. And your own business, 70% of all small businesses don't have any cash flow. Debt. I can get debt. In fact, I can get debt on an apartment deal. Can't get it on stocks. Can't get it on cash. Can't get it on IRAs. Can't get it on 401ks. Cannot get it on gold and silver or crypto. And you probably can't get a loan on your own business. Okay, page.
Well, there is too. Malet, yes, ከም ናይ real estate ኣይኮነን በር there is. ኣብ stock loan ኣለካ margin ዝበሃል ኣሎ ትወስድ ትኽእላ. ኣብ 401k like Rosa IRA ኣብ ኩሎም እውን you know like ዕዳ ክትወስድ ትኽእልካ ማለት እቲ interest ከማ ናባኻ ተመላሲ. So there is ሕጂ እንታይ እዩ ዝገብሮ ዘሎ Grant Cardone ማለት እዩ. I know much ኣይኮነን as a finance guy ግን there is some እቲ ትኸፍሎ እቲ ትረኽቦ ያ ደብት ናይ real estate ይበልፅ ይኽንበሃል ንኽእል ኢና ኣለዎ ኩሉ ሻዕ እቲ ደብት ክትወስድ ትኽእልካ ስታክ ንባዕልኻ ሞስትሊ ከማን ደም በዓል ኢላን ማስክ ዘይጥቀሙ እቲ ማርጂን እዮም ጥቀሙ ማለት እዩ ደብት እዮም ንዕኡ ትሒዞም ደብት ይወስዱ ማለት እዩ hey value of ናይ ስታከይ ተስላ ከም ዘለኒ can I get some debt yeah ተን ካምፓኒ as a margin ገይረን ክቦ ኸላ ብኡ እናበሩ ማለት እዩ so ግን not like real estate ኣይመፅን እንዳበልና ክንከይድ ደስ ይብለን. that's why ገለገለ ሓደ ነገር ኣሎ ምስ Grant Cardone ክንራዳሉ ዘይንኽእል ማለት እዩ but the way it is the explanation is great and then I love it.
6, why to get rich? 5 ways to get rich. 1, you can inherit it. So when you're starting to think about, I don't want to do this, there's too much to learn. Okay, good. Try to inherit the money. What's the chances that you're going to inherit $10 million? Johnny, what's the chance you're going to inherit 10 million, that I'm leaving you 10 million? See, he already gave up. Okay. So you guys have zero chance. What's the chance my kids get to inherit 10 million?
All right, guys. So the average person wants to become a millionaire. So today we're going to talk about real quickly, and hang with me until the end because I can guarantee a lot of this is not going to make sense in the first 20 seconds. The average price of an American house is $410,000. If I wait 5 years and it grows the average rate, that house in 5 years is worth $540,000. So if I want to become a millionaire, I would have to buy 8 houses and wait 5 years. That's it. That's how the average person can become a millionaire. Buy 8 houses, turn them into rentals, bring in some cash flow, amazing, and wait 5 years, you'll become a millionaire. Well, how does the average American buy an average house if the average American needs cash, credit, or credentials to do that? Well, it's called creative finance, guys. And in fact, it's called specifically subject to seller finance Morby method, a strategy that I actually created that allows the average American to not use their own personal cash, no credit whatsoever, or any credentials. If you guys want to see exactly how I'm doing this in 50 states across the country, click the link down below to watch a case study.
Come on, pass it now.
Bro,
Yeah, sorry guys. Kamzi on geria record ndagabarkwa on geria ስለዝ ወጻኹ like not kullu to advertisement ወሲራተ. By the way, advertisement ናይዚ ቀዲም ጽንሕ ወድሞ I was like I'm following one of the ብጣዕሚ አንበሳ ኢንሱን ብዛዕባ real estate ብዙሕ ነገር ይዛረብ ማለት እዩ. So yeah, let's go with it. Let's go. Grant.
Like they hacked the system. They just got to act right. Okay, I literally have them every couple of days. Like, hey, you thinking about me? Sabrina's like, you got me? Okay. Number two, Marriott. Much easier, by the way. Number two is much easier than number one. They both come with a price. And I would just tell you guys, you single people out there, it is easier to marry. You could marry more money in a day than you could make in a lifetime. And I highly recommend it, by the way. But there is a price to pay. Number three, you could start your own business. Number two would be much easier than number three. Number three is a possibility, but very difficult. In fact, you want to make a note here, 91% of all people that own a business don't make $1 million a year. Number four, investments. Number four is much easier than the first three. And number five, you could get lucky.
Well, then Hamish always get rich quick, Maletu. I don't know why marriage number two. Okay, that's عدل كحسكات مصري ولا whatever it is. Okay, inherit مالت ورشة كم بلوت أنا إحنا yes نحر ولد خاوري سمها. I know we are not the حبرة السبسيل لأن إحنا ولدنا بطاتنا ندورسنا يكون أنا بسدس النام مالتي. ثم if you are lucky أبسوليتكم زعبكم ولدهم توري سمهم كا you so lucky ولا حدا جزا توري سمها you are so enough مهنيات my friend mortgage نحدا جزا كباب قلتش حسن سترا invest in حرقة كاس if ka within 10 years you gotta be like multi-millionaire كنت خلاها مالتي جزا تحراوي سمها جزا تنبر الله that's the most expensive was I had لنا مالتي okay تامرج كحال فايد حق مالت سبع حراركم كأز a partner whatever okay number 3 start business that's the most important start your own business no matter what عبي يكون إشتيخون ولا قمقام يكون ولا كوستار يكون أسرع يكون خطة ناتي تبلا as 1099 schedule city ولا as LLC create غير كاب على خات خفل لا إتا profit and loss تري الله profit مخسبن like you know أتات تبلا نحن على خا business آتاوي then وزعي then مخسب زك على زي عقد أسيد أب W2 نحكم كان سايت رخوانها آتاوي وزعي مخسب تبل كان أب W2 ندحر سراحتني خون كان engineer كن like doctor كن ولا nurse كن whatever it is يبل لانس يبل كان so إتي أجن cleaning like ريت ناي clean company جمر نابنت مالتي ولا أقول خيلا نحر كن كأنكم ولا أبر خازور track خازور so إتا أتاو تبلا تاوز أي تبلا أب تاوز أي that tax benefit is in there I'm speaking بزعبة tax كالن مالتي then أمور ده أتاشعو مخسب تبل مخسب شعور ناب بسخة خير كناب tax paid خير مالتي so he said investment خا any investment get lucky خا like lottery I don't know get lucky is the worst كندي times خا lucky تكون we don't know like مالتي lottery نحر تعويك so this is the most important مالتي invest start business and then the number 3 and number 4 are like good for us number 3 and number 4 نحر تعليقنا we can change our life business نا هنجمر invest نا هندبر مالتي that's the key part alright.
And number 5 is probably the hardest of the bunch, particularly to repeat. You'd have a better chance of inheriting the money than getting lucky with money. So you see, you guys got to figure out, here you're going to add one more, number 5, or number 6, work. Maybe, but just because you work hard doesn't mean you get rich. Okay. Ultimately, there's only one way to get wealthy. It's through investments. Okay. Now, if you've just
Yeah, let me keep say that. Yes, right. That one way, what is true. One way to get wealthy. Yeah, هابتام هتكون دحي بلان عليك هينو. Just investment راح. What? Yes, I'm telling you. Invest انت زي غيرك هابتام تكون اي تخيلن إخا. That's the one way. انت عينت invest. ستاك كون خل or الستاك كون خل ورا your own business كون خل. كل شعب نتقبل على حوال. Let me share this again to you. Maybe حد يشتغل له تخلوه ما بزين. So so نسخة okay come on delete it. You are some engineer نزود دعكم. هلا خارج هون engineer ملاكي. Okay, you're engineer. Engineer خاصة أتاوي خا. It's like نبلو like 120 شح نبلو. أير نبلو. Right. 120 شح أير كابزخ نبلو خلنا تاكس براكيت تجلا كله مسئنا حوات تاكس خفها في الكاجلا ملدحان 100 شح هالوكا. تو ناب أبعمد. مالت أبت تاكس براكيت نام قيد حوات زي. 10 خيري 12 خيري ناب 24 قط قبت حساب زي. دحان 100 شح هالو. 100 شح أتاول لك. So انجينير غا 100 شح أتاول لك. إذا 100 شح زي نسخة. أنت أخذ قبره. Alright. أبجت أنت sorry أبجت أنت تماهرنا 7 10 10 تماهرنا مالتي. So 7% نايزي almost أبعمد نبولو كابز 100 شح 7 شح بزي تنابر نسخة. تنابر. وصايتك كله بس شفل. كندي ترفعها 30 شح. Alright. إذن 30 شح invest أنت غير كاين. السيء أبانك هذا أكيبا عند حركيدن نبلن رغير 3 شحن what like you know نسالة عام مسرح ود 3 حمشن تمرت خاود ماستري هالوكا حساب كنت أمك تقبل نحركم كا then ود 3 حمشن كأطرة تاوتس ب3 4 it's simple نسخة خندي هالوكا ذلوا مسلكو هجزي شعتميت right 900 كي لك شعتميت شحال لك مالتي تصل أبانك هاين زلوا شعتميت شحت راح ينزلوا زين ود 65 عامت مسكونكا بزين عدما تهيبك كسا ود 9 عامت كبابي 3 عامت نزين خاطر بلع مالتي ناينك اوكي paid off جزا هلو كاي مهريات 17 سنه كم زلها كله من لك paid off لك جزا مكينا لها قال لك بزين كنبرها but are you happy no you're not a millionaire of course you can be a millionaire كنت تدخلها عند جزاها paid off علي نزيد ميركا اسيت كخوني خلي جن هبات از 30 شح that's the trick investing calculator what this ولا كل شعب اسمين كان هذا investing calculator يا حساب زرد انا خمسه احوات how about we go the investing calculator انجينير الله خير انجينير ملاك الله خير say hi اسكي اتن 30 شح جمير كاين بلن then نسالة عامت كيد مالك قاير خيلي ابكاله اي تخد اندكس كيد 12 13% like 30 مقلل لي 30 شح السمع لنا 10 تخلت ورحاوينا هنقتون كلتا شحن عام شميتن انا اتجنزب عليك انجينير هاي بروفيشن خاصه كلتا شحن عام شميتن ما نزل خاطئتو كيل كان لخ نتن 30 شح مالتي so beginning of the month I'm telling you will have about 7.1 million مرجع ازبك هذا الحج كباب 7 مليون دحشكا ولا 9 مليون شكا والله how the hell يا مود حركو تاكس خفل لي نا فرق ولا نزين تاغبرو مسلكا روزا حساب 120 حساب زلخا روزا اري كتغبرو تخلها روز ار a single tab limit يا 140 شد حساب 140 شد شنش 140 شد شنش حساب زي اتخا ኩሉ እቲ ገንዘብ ናይ ሮዝ ዓረኽ 7,000 ይኹን ኣብኡ ክትእቱ ትኽእልኻ okay what ደስ በለይ that's what we say that. Did you see it? Am I sure? All right, sorry. So Bezzy, that's what he said. Grant Cardone, بزيك invest لو تأثر إنه هاي بلنا زلوا. صح invest إن حرجير كايت راح خباب 7 مليون كتركب تخل. invest زيجر كايجن أبتزر أخما كنت أخذ كون نسخة سيفز قبرنا بانك خباب اللي كان زلوا خط 7 شحن كود أصلا. تنت 7 شح نعخا لو تأثر أزي أجن عليك كم لو تخرج الكاد. شو 7 مليون ترخيب أنا نسدراي مولهم بمولهم دك يكون سبيته يكون دايك بمولهم كأهلني نعين كل بالي. So yeah, my kids are showing up from the church now. So happy. Okay, I gotta spend with them. I gotta go now. Look this. 7 million. True. I'm not asking you a risk. Simple index. All right, let's go to Quran. The only way is invest in low.
Decided today that the only way you're going to get wealthy is through investing. Then you got to decide, okay, what am I going to invest in? Because you can't study everything. Is it going to be stocks, bonds? Are you going to trade? Are you going to be a long-time holder? Are you going to go into crypto? What are you going to invest in? Your own business? You're going to be a football star. You're going to get married. You're going to try to inherit the money. What are you going to invest in? Okay. And that's why I had to do the same thing when I was 28 years old. I started making a little money. I had some extra money. First thing I did was take care of myself, get myself in good order. Second thing, I started working on my business, got my business in order. Third thing I did was get better at my business. The next thing you know, I had money left over. I'm like, okay, what am I going to learn to invest in? And I decided that real estate was best for me because number one, it protected my capital. You're on page 8. Number one reason real estate is better than all other asset classes. And I'm not talking about a house. A house is not a way to protect your capital. It's a way to destroy your capital. Number one, protect your capital. Number two, provide you with cash flow. See, I want everything on this list, not one thing. Now, a house could be a way for me to protect my equity over long periods of time. But the reality is, if you study housing in America for the last 100 years, the biggest return or the average return after inflation on a house is about 1% a year.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
That's not a protection of capital. You're going backwards. Number 3, long-term appreciation, a life investment. I get long-term appreciation. Let me just see if I can find this. Rents in 1958.
Can I get like about 10Ks?
The average rent in 1958 was $75 a month.
Yeah, let's get it to make it. Is it a 1.5 mix with it?
The rents have gone up 24 times. In 1958, people were complaining about what?
Go ahead, total is about 15K all total. Like
rent.
1.5.
Goddamn rent's a lot of money. You can't rent. Renting's a fool's man. It's stupid. Don't rent. Own the home.
Okay, yeah.
See, what you guys your parents didn't quite get right is like
only the regular, not the rest.
By the way, $75 back then was like $530 today. So it was a lot of money. $75 was a lot of money. The problem is we don't understand inflation. So your parents said you should own a home. What your parents didn't understand is no, you should own the block.
Thank you.
Of homes and rent them all. Don't own 40 houses across the entire city. Own every block on the Monopoly board and you win. Because every time you roll the dice, I collect rent. That would be the ultimate way to play Monopoly. I'm just going to own everything as you come around the corner. Okay, so string the whole line, right? Don't own every railroad, bro. Just own one block. So every time Dave comes around the board and gets out of jail, bang, he's like, God damn, I got to go through Grant's neighborhood again. And I'm like, bro, I can take a nap now because I know if you roll a 2, a 3, a 4, a 7, a 11, it don't matter, bro. As long as you hit between these 12 blocks, you landing in my shit, and I collect rent. Okay, so long-term appreciation. Rents are going to go up. Number 4, tax write-offs. Number 5, I went over some of this. Leveraging good debt on good real estate. I get good debt, sometimes as much as 4 times. Number 6, protect and benefit from inflation. Actually benefit from inflation. I'm the beneficiary of inflation. Number 7, it's proven and tested over time. Great graphics here, guys. Nice. Number 8, easy access to debt.
All right, let me explain this. Why real estate is better than all other asset classes? That's سلمنتاي نزل بالحتة. مجمّر يا أخوات بقطر حدا كسب قطر عسرتي. I know كال sample أبنت كم تسندي هيجي قدر من ميمسو مالتي. Life تمالي كاتة تلسل نبرك أنا تمالي زي خات. Protect your capitals. Very true. Not capital. The only protection real estate راح. هزني. The only protection real estate راح. Not capital كويك أنات كهبت كويك أنات كزلك وحس خون. Of course. زي مالت percentage زي حاسة مالت خبط خالق. Let's say أبستاك ندحر كينو تستاك investments قبل كاي maybe crash كرر يخل crash ندحر كينو تكنزب كا ولا زيرو كخون يخل هذا أب real estate ندحر كينو قبل كاي investment كن نلايف كتصني يخلي كقاصلي يخلي حزن راي كبارع يخلي كقاصلي يخلي كفرس يخلي ماين ندادن so you have what insurance protect نوع مالك yeah but abstract حماق مالي تكون I'm just active in stack too مالي long term ناي stack أكون I'm like more habit real estate again of course ناجزي ترامب يجي أوروب كوست ناجنزب مالي then شو buy real estate مالي that's all that's my goal مالي so حماق مالي تكون أبع الإندكس أبع الS&P كي تخلق like 11.25% 11.10% on average see without even discount rate is that لهم with a discount rate it's going to be about 8% كنا نخلها so حماق مالي تكون سيف يابون وحسك تكون تخلها أنا personal advice أكون نزارب ذلهم انتايدا more comfortable real estate okay protect your asset حالي وصل خلته provide cash flow ولا كاتري إنت جزء خراي I don't know الواري ولا أنا أحوات look this جزء خراي like let me search with you guys كم يجرو capital كم تعب alright let's go that's stop قبل المثلني median renters in Colorado 2000 والله look this what cash flow how grows all right let's say أبزل له عادي all right كاب كل التشح جزا خراي كساب هجي كل تشح عشران سلستن عشران 4 يناير نزل كاب كل تشح جزا أب جزء كل تشح جزا خراينا حنتي مالت حنتي ميريام شو دشام يزن 70 حدا قرشنير by now شحن شو عادتم إيتن 30 شو عادتم look this one نسخة اتكاش فولو زبلو حنساب مس جزا أكايو انداوسخه إزوسخ كنزب لك so median cost of rent has increased by 7% like by 7% وسخ غيره what yes بخلتش حمته مرت اندحر شي 170 حدا قرش نيرو جزا خراي بخلتش عن 23 شحن شو 130 شو عتني so Grant Cardone بلنا زلو نتو كاش فولو كترخبو تخلها alright كلتش حمده مرت جزاكم تليكم شعوتا كاريو نبركم بشدش 170 حدا قرشسي هج بشحن شو 30 كتكاري وتخلوهم أسبي كاش فولو ناتكا إنكامكا أتاوخا grow اندا جبري يخيدالو أنت بما تون تايلي the first 5 years أمود أما جمري حموش عامة تخون تجنزب نايرنت قرب difficult تركب تخلها ولا break even كتكي تخلها هايلي ولا عمد كل تعمسي ولا خارج بخاون كتوز تخلها سبيشال اللي حكوا مرشال كوين مالتي عقم تليكا then ካብኡ ሽዑ እንዳተቀየረ what thank you to inflation ከምዛ ትሪእዋ ዘለኹም ቅድመ ሆያ ዳ ትሪእዋ ዘለኹም ኣሕዋት 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ኣብዚ within 8 years ኢና ንብሎ ዘለና like almost 13 years ንብሎ ንሓን ኣብዚ 13 ዓመት ይኸውን 13 years or 12 years ከባቢ ናብ 737 increase ገይሩ ስለዚ ኣብዚ ኮሎ 2000 ድሕር ገዚእካዮ of course mortgage ካ ይኸፍሉልካ ነይሮም ንሳቶም then ድሕርኡ እንዳ ኣብ እንዳኸደ እንዳወስኽ ይኸድ so ንስኻ ክንደይ ፕሮፊት ገይርካ ኣለኻ ራይዎ mortgage ካ ዝነበረሉ ብዚ let me go with this okay let me do this calculation again all right let's go my book all right let's go with this what I'm entire experience قبل زلخ بزي all right التارنت مجمريا بخلطة شح عمته مرت شدشة بيسوعن حالين قرشنيرا بخلطة شحن عسران سلسنجن شحن شوعاتة 230 شوعاتة نكوينا احوات كندي ديفرنس جرا نسخة خد أخلقها وال نيرون بلا هجخا خم مالتي هجخا كاكلت شحن عسران 4 like almost another 10 years ولا وصلوا كلت شحن 34 ننزارب زلنا هجن دحر شحن شوعاتة 230 شوعاتة اللي هون سي أبزس كندي كخونا خمت هجي حوات لكتس انت أنا نزارب زلنا حوات كندي difference grow جيرو أبزي كباب 13 years or 12 years كاب شدشة شحن شدشة 171 زقولوا شحن شوعاتة 230 شوعاتة مالت أزن نيجاتيف يدم زلوا almost $6 يخون شحن سان شدشة وسخ جير within 12 years what yes هجي عب 2024 زلوا اندحر جزا خراي شحن شوعاتة 230 كوينو بلاس كباب $6 سان شدشة وسخلو so almost كلتا شحن شوعاتة 200 almost كلتا شحن شمن تميتنا كباب متزين هجي خد جزا أخلقها تا جزا كا هجي mortgage ناتكا تخفل الله زلخا mortgage ويكا rental مزي أماچ أنا جدن شحن شوعاتة 230 شوعاتة then دحر 10 عامت ناب كلتا شحن شمن تميتنا you just gained about $1,000 66 أزي times 12 ندحر جيرنا almost 24 شح أب عامت كابت حنتي جزا أناف كابت حنت جزا إزيا نتروتها أخلتي جزا one house one single family home نزار I don't just go commercialist and كلا أكر one single family home سي دحر 10 عامسي 24 شح أتاول لك خلا 24 شح extra إزلك أزلهم إزي extra أبتم جمرة يكون كلهم دحر كيرمو بمولون دحر حاسبة يا almost 2,800 مالتي 2,800 دحر times 12 غير كاخا اوكي times 12 نقبرنا زخا انت اخنا 33 شحلك نزل 33 استرف لايك مورجج حاسبي انا نتناي قدامي بريك ايفن مورجج سناتك كاش فلو يزارب زلو خوات كاش فلو 24k كاب حنت جزا لها if you make 2 house abzi you will have 48 if you do like 3 house you will get it 60k سوساشح عليك سوساشح within 3 house within أوش 10 عامت ناي سوساشح أتاوي تركب على أب عامت big money كابون قلتلي that's good enough نعخال حنتي لك سلسة جزان حلوتي خا من ما يدلي كان كابون لعلك الزرقة حلي كان بحب سلسة جزات بس سلسة قلعت لهم ها حاجة مالتي at the end of the time do you need 401k no do you need Rosa IRA maybe yes because of tax advantage do you need like traditional IRA no to me مالتي I don't but only Rosa IRA do you need investment in a stock yes you can do that all right that's there you go guys it's a lot of power right so due to inflation كل شيء وايو كم صنح مالته يكون جزاون كم يحوات ميدن هاوس اندحر كيدنا نكو جزاون كو واغا ناي جزاو كحسري انت ودي اي كحسري زبل ابريل است زرب عند نقدفو انت دقعدنا مخنياتو real estate is always valued high. All right, so provide cash flow جريزنا long term appreciation كأخم ويزبلنا still اتا جزاها what is long term appreciation كأمالك احوات رأيوا what is that كا all right median كم تعرفكم house in Colorado 2000 to present. Give me some breaks. I like something. Not good source. Let me find median house price. Colorado to present. Okay, it's with the graph. Here you go, demographic. I should okay. Let me do this. I like good one. Good to teach, to learn, to teach. Image, can they bring it? All right. All right, hold on, guys. Give me some special. Here you go. I got it. Ah, damn it. All right. I just easy. Okay, here you go. Look this right. According to nice census data, median house price in Colorado at Klittish was 166 nera. Whoa, with the recent report showing median house prices should shame 135. What how big? Look this. What this one is he an is this and the hair can they time scale low and the hair magil kayo should shame 135 divided gborro nimi eaten should 600 equal this like almost triple, almost like four times double coin. So እታ ገዛውን ባሊናታት ውስኻ ይዝብለና ዘሎ ሶ ክሸጥ አንድ ሕርከልካውን እንዳወሰኸት ትውስኻ ኦኬ ካሽ ፍሎው ካሪና ረንት እንዳወሰኸ ወሲኹ ሕዋል ኦኬ alright look this what I explain is okay long term appreciation ጋ life investment ይብለና ኣሎ ቁጥር 3 ይዝገልጽ ዘለኹ ምክንያቱ ርኢኹም አኹ 166 ተገዛት ሂጂ 635 አላ እዛ 635 ካ 4 times እንድሕር መጽያ 635 ሽሕ በታ ዝሃበና times 4 እንድሕር ጌርና almost like within wow this is going to be big ማለት እዩ this is going to be big now millions of millions አኽትመጽ with the next ዝመጽእ like 15 years ካሊ years about 2 million ክትመጽያ so that's it and then tax write off መእተው ጌርና ኢና ናይ ትራምፕ ማለት depreciation ኩሉ ታክሲ insurance tax out ወለድ ተኸፍሎ tax out ማለት number 5 leverage use good debt leverage ማለት ሕዋት ነታ ዝገዛእካ ገዛ let's say ከም ታዝራእና ሜዳም ሃውስ ብ166 ድሕር ገዚካ ቫልዩ ምስ ገበረት ድሕርኡ 300 ምስ ኮነት ልቃሓት ሒስካ ምውፃእ ንዖ ማለት that's a leverage so ካልእ እሱሉ ሓደ leverage ሒስካ ካልእ ከዓ እቲ investment ቫልዩ ናቱ ከዓቢ ከሎ እቲ ብምሉኡ እቲ ናይ ባንክስ ማኒ and ናትካ ማኒ grow ይገብር that's a leverage ምክንያቱ appreciation እኮ ክትገዛእ ከለካ ንስኻ ብ166,000 ክትገዛእ ከለካ you paid like almost $2,000 ከፊልካ ግን ናብ 635 ዝበፅሓትሉ appreciate ዝገበረትሉ as a leverage ነቲ ብምሉኡ ናይቲ ባንክስ ማኒ ገይሩ እንዳዓበየ ዝዓብይ ማለት እዩ that's a good one so protects and benefit from inflation ሓቁ inflation up ይኹን down ይኹን ካልእ ይኹን ከዓ like real estate is hedge of inflation على inflation انت ተጸለለ ንስኻ ጸገም ባህል የብልካን ምክንያቱ you are investor ኣብ real estate investor ኻ ዘለኻ ምክንያቱ all the time inflation ክቅጽል ከሉ ተም ተኻረይቲ inflation መቅጽል inflation down ድሕር ከኑ ኻ ተም ተኻረይቲ ኻ like I down ኣይኮኑኒ ምክንያቱ you already ክነብሪኦም ናብ ዝኸዱ ይብሎም ማለት the best hedge of inflation ካብ inflation ዝከላኸለልና ነገር ዓይነት investment real estate ራሂ stock marketና ተስላ እኮ 414 ቅርሽን 414 ቅርሽን በፂሓ ነይራ 2021 then inflation high ምስኮነ federal rate ምስ ቆረፁ ኻ ናብ 138 ወሪዳ ዛምንስ ኣድሒንካ ያደ ካብዚ ኣይድሓንካን so ናትካ ዝነበረካ ካፒታል almost 3 years down ኮይኑሎ then ሄጅ ኻ ተሰቂላ ማለት ንኣብነት ይዛረብ ዘለኹ ኣብ real estate ግን ወላ ሽዑ 500 እንበር like down ይኹን nobody touch it ቶም ተኻረይቲ ክራይ ጥራሕም ክኸፍሉ ክወፂ ይክእሉን እዮም ክኸዱ ይክእሉን እዮም so ህጅመኻ ከምዚ ንሪኦ ዘለናኻ ከምዚ ከም በዓል ግራንድ ካርዶን እንዳመፁ ይመፅሎ ሚሊዮነራት ኣፓርትመንት ስታይል ጥራሕም ክሰርሑ ዝኽእሉ ምክንያቱ ገዛ out of reach ናብ ዝኾነሉ ግዜ እዩ ዝመፅእ ዘሎ alright number 7 proven and tested over time ማለት proof ተኾነ እዩ he's right over time ማለት easy to access debt ማለት ዕዳ ንክትወስድ ሎን ንክትወስደሉኻ እቲ ዝቐለለ እዩ እዩ ዝብለና ዘሎ let's go with it finish it እዚአና ክንውድእ ኣሕዋት
I bought a deal once. I'll tell them about that little deal me and you bought.
Yeah.
Okay. Me and Jared bought a deal. It was I think they wanted 6.3 million. I think I paid $5 million, put $400,000 down, something like that, right? What'd you put? How much?
150.
Jared put 150 of it. I put the other 250. Okay. We owned it for 2 years or less. And I went and got a loan. I didn't pay 6.3. I paid $5 million. I put $400,000 down. So really I only put 400 grand down. I got 150 from Jared. So really all I paid was 250 to control 5 million that was worth 6.3. I'm making money every time I make a look at this deal, right? So it was 104 units. It's called Stewart Breeze. Stewart Breeze. Is that the name of it? Jared?
10x Harbor Breeze.
Oh, Harbor Breeze. 10x
Stewart.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Harbor Breeze. Yeah, this property right here. Look at it, how ugly it is. It's so ugly. You remember what the rents were when we bought it?
Do you want to know how I had real estate professionals like Pace Morby?
What? No way.
Calling me before I even owned my first.
I don't.
Yeah. Anyway, we got in there. We painted it. We painted it yellow. Yellow is one of my favorite colors. It pops. The banks hate the color. They're like, we don't like that color. I said, you ain't buying it. I am. Okay. All right. So it's 104 units. We paid, what did I pay? I ended up paying. No, we paid 250 and 150.
Mm-hmm.
We paid 400 grand. That's what we paid for the property. Everybody with me? We increased the rents on the 104 units about $200 a month. A month. Went in there, painted it, fixed it, put in a couple of trees, cleaned it up, changed the name of it, told everybody, we got you, we got you. Rents went up. When the rents went up, the value goes up, okay? We went and got a loan on it, a new loan, because I put a short-term loan on it, even though I don't like short-term loans. We put a short-term loan on it and executed on our plan. And we can't find it. There it is. We went and got a new loan on that property. I'm going to show you it right now in my spreadsheet. Did they get this? We should have gotten all of you my
the blank one. They got sent that out.
The blank.
Yeah, when they invested in the last opportunity.
And let's see here, Harbor Breeze. The annualized income of this property today, we started with this, is now $1.3 million of NOI. Okay, that's the NOI. The new NOI of the property is 1.3 million. Assume no loan on it. Jared paid 150, I paid 250. The property makes 1.3 million of NOI today. Okay, now I want you to take the $1.3 million and you're going to tell me what the property's worth. Okay, I'm sitting here. Jared's like, how we doing on that property? I don't know. Let me see. My annualized NOI is 1,236. 1,236. Divide that by the cap rate. Let's say it's a 5. It's not. Well, I mean, let's say it's a 5. Divided by a 0.5. What's the property worth? Who's got a number for me? $24,720,000. Okay. So this is called leverage. And we're about to do this, by the way. We're getting this underwritten for a loan right now. I say, I want a new loan on my property. Okay. What did we pay for it? He paid 150. I paid 250. Okay. Let me see if this is in here. Let me see. Stuart Breeze is which one? Line number 10. It's a good number. 10X. No, I don't have the refinance number right now, but let's just take, I'll show you how to figure out what the debt, what the NOI, if I take that NOI number 1236000 and you use what's called a debt yield, I'm getting a little complicated now. 1, 3, what I said the number was? 1, 2, what was the NOI?
1.3 NOI.
1.3 what?
Well, it's 1,296, but just 1.3.
Okay, 1.3. And if you divide that by what's called a debt yield, let's say 8.5.
And that's basically the rate that you're going to be borrowing.
And not really. It's a little complicated. And it's just a rule of thumb, right? It's called a debt yield. Don't even worry about it. Just trust me. I don't really want you guys to not trust me on 99% of what I say, but on this particular thing, I just want you to trust me on this one thing. Okay. So I want to use the debt yield. Basically, that is the yield. I take the debt and I bury it up into the bank. Some banks, not all banks.
You're backing into how much debt the property will support.
Yeah, and they're saying, hey, most banks don't even use a debt yield. They tell you they don't, but at the end of the day, some of these metrics, okay, I use as little cheat sheets. For instance, when I was financing cars in the car business when I was 25 years old, 26 years old, I used little factors. So when somebody asked me what the payment was going to be, I'm like, boom, payment's $323 a month. They're like, God damn, you good. I'm like, yeah, I know what I'm doing. I was just using a little factor. I would take $11,000, multiply it times 3, boom, your payment's $300. I would basically take the loan. It's just a little cheat. It's a hack. Okay. So I'm just giving you a little hack. If I divide that 1.3, what?
Yeah, I'd take 20,000 times 1.36 divided by 36.
Yeah. So this tells me I could get a loan of $15 million on this property today. Okay. What did Jared pay for it? 150. What did I pay for it? 250. Okay. Remember the property. It was $5 million. We put $400,000 down. We owe $4.6 million.
This is the most powerful prayer to attract money. Don't skip this video. God wants to speak to you. He has chosen you. If you're watching this video, it means you've been chosen to receive unexpected money, a large sum, so big that
I can go get a loan for $15 million. Okay. You're like, wait a minute, bro, you're losing me. Of course I'm losing you because the freaking math got good. Okay. Because nobody taught you how to create wealth. I would get a loan for $15 million. It would pay back the $4.6 million loan we have. We would end up with $10,400,000 of cash. And we didn't sell our real estate. Okay. I would give Jared his 150 back. I would take my 250 back, 400. And we would have $10 million to split between us and still own the real estate. So what do I owe Jared? How much of that do I owe you, Jared? See,
12 or 13%.
So Jared gets 12% of the 10 million. He gets 1.2 million. Boom, Jared. Here's your 150 back and $1.2 million.
And that property is cash flowed. I've been distributed 650,000 over the last 2
Okay. So this is what happened with Jared's deal. I'm just Jared. Jared gave me 150. We've owned it now for how many years? 6 or 7?
10.
Okay, 10 years. Sorry, time flies. He's been given 650 back already. Let's say I gave him another, what did I say? I'd give you another 1.2 million. And he still owns 12% of the real estate that's now worth 24 million bucks. And it still cash flows into the future. We never sell the real estate. So this is in addition to the job that he does every day. So I'm just telling you guys.
Yeah, that's so funny. Okay, let's get it. Let's finalize this. But very like true abnet ተጠቂሞም ምስቲ መሳርሕቱ ጀሬ ኢንቨስትመንት ዝገብራ ማለት እዩ I have that board ኩሉ ሻዕ ኣብዚ ሕዋት let's call our video በኣ ማለት እዩ right my life okay መጀመሪያ እታ ፕሮፐርቲ ወርዝ ናታ ማለት እዩ ክንደይ ክሽየጥ ንዝኽእል 6.3 ሚልዮን ያለና ማለት እዩ ኦኬ እሱ ክሽየጥ ትኽእል እያ ኦራይት ንሶም ዝገዝኡዋ ግን ብ5 ሚልዮን ገዚኦማ ብ5 ሚልዮን ክገዝኡዋ ከለዉ ክልቲኦም 400,000 ዳውን ፔመንት ገይሮምላ ተጠቂሞም ማለት እዩ ሶ ግራን 250 ከፊሉ and then during ተኻልኣዩ ከዓ 150 ማለት እዩ ሶ 400,000 almost 8% ናይቲ ሎን እዮም ከፊሎም ዳውን ፔመንት ተጠቂሞም that's good one alright እሳን ሓዛ ስለዚ እዚ ምስ ገበሩ 10 units 104 units yen apartments 104 ዝካረ ቦታ እዩ ዘሎ ካብዚ ኢንካም ወይ ከዓ NOI ማለት ኢንካም 1.3 ሚልዮን ኣለዋ ኣታዊ እቲ 1.3 ሚልዮን ኣታዊ ካብኡ of course mortgage ክህልዎም mortgage ከፊሎም ገለመለ ክህልዎም ስን ካብቲ 1.3 ሚልዮን ኣታዊ ኣብዚ ሰዓት እዚ 10 years ያገራ ኣብዚ ሰዓት እዚ ነቲ ካፕ ናታ 5% ካፕ ይመቕሎ ማለት እዩ 0.05 እንድሕር መቒልናዮ ወርስ ከባቢ 24 ሚልዮን ክትከውን ትኽእል እያ ክሽየጥ ትኽእል እያ ሕጂ ይብለና ኣሎ ኦኬ ናይዚ 24 ሚልዮን ዳ ክሽየጥ ትኽእል እምበር ንሕሳቶም ግን እንታይ እዮም ክገብሩ ዝኽእሉ ካሽ ከውፅኡ ካብኡ ሕዋት ታ ካሽ ኣውት ኢዘር ሪፋይናንስ ገይሮም ወይ ከዓ ኢኩዊቲ ገይሮም whatever ገይሮም ከውፅኡ ክሳብ 15 ሚልዮን ከነውፅእ ከም ዝኽእል እዮም ኢሎም yes they are true ምክንያቱ like 24 እንድሕር ሚልዮን ቫሊ ለዋ ኮይኑ ክሽየጥ ኮይኑ 15 ሚልዮን ኢዚ ከውፅኡ ይኽእሉ ማለት እዩ ካብዚ 15 ሚልዮን ለሰይ ኣውፂናዮ ንበሃል ኢሎም ኦኬ ኣውፅኦም ኣለዉ ሎን ዘለዋ ንኣብነት 4.6 ሚልዮን ሎን ኣለዋ ንሱ ጓዳድሎም 10 ሚልዮን ሒዞም ኣለዉ without what ታክሲ ካይከፈሉ ማለት እዩ ሶ እዚ 10 ሚልዮን እዚ ተማቒሎም ሞ በቢ ፐርሰንቴጅ ንኣብነት ካልኣይ ዝነበረ ከባቢ 150 ስለ ዝኸፈለ ሶ ያ 12% ክወስድ ዝግብኦ ማለት እዩ ንኣብነት ማለት እዩ ከም ዝበሎ ሶ that maths ካብኡ እያ ክሰርሕ ዝኽእል ሶ ንሱ 1.3 ከባቢ 1.3 ሚልዮን ካብዚ 10 ሚልዮን ክረክብ ይኽእል እዩ ካልእ ካሽ ፈሎው ወርሓዊ እቶት ዝነበረ ኣብዚ 10 ዓመት እዚ ከዓ እዚ ሰብ እዚ ራዮ 150,000 ሓዋፊሩሲ ካሽ ፈሎውሲ almost 650 ከይረኺብ ይብል ፀኒሑ ሰሚዕኩም what 650 ካሽ ፈሎው ረኺብ within 10 years this is a lot 150 ሓዋፊሩሲ 650 divided ن10 ولا انت مقلنا almost 65,000 يركب نير بعمل big money look this out big money تنسلسه جزاز بس احنا نحن مالتي this is big money okay كندا يكن داون دام 150 نسلسه جزا هم انقبر نخل yes ب 50 داون بيمنت غيرنا سلسه جزا نغزل نخلنا we can do this we can hit this اذا بلا زلو خنهار ما نغلنا ابند مالتي so this 1.2 million ማለት እንተውፅና ካሽ ገርና ተገንዘብካ እንድሕር መጪካስ ህጂ 1.8 million plus ካሽ ሰው ሃቦን and ካብዚ ወሃቦን 1.8 million ክረክብ መኻለ ክንደይ ዋፊሩ 150,000 ተሕዋፊሩ within 10 years ታገዛ ተሸጣለ ነው አይተሸጣተን still አላ 24 million so overall his point is never real estate never sell hold it but if you want cash you withdraw all the cash and use it ምክንያቱ እንታይ ኢና ነዚ ኣኻ እንታይ ኢና ታረንት ናይቶም ሰባት እዚኣቶም ናይ ኮሎራዶ 671 ቅርሺ ነበረ ሄጂ ግን 737 ስለ ዘሎ ረንቶም እንዳወሰኸ እንድሕር ወሲኹ ዋላ ሞርጌጅና እንዳዓበየ እንድሕር ዕቢና ንሕና ሰው ንዑ ዝኸፍሎ እቲ ሞርጌጅ ክኸፍሎ ይኽእሉ እዮም ስቲል ማለት damn it this is all I gotta have a class ኣለኒ ኣሕዋት ድሓር gotta go ስድራ መፅኦም ካብ ቤተክርስትያን I have to have fun and then lunch coffee and then plus كلوني so funny. I know it's a lot to say. Really, that's a lot to say. Yeah. So I know. What? That's really millions of millions. Yes, of course, millions of millions. Of course, they are making it. Can we do it? Maybe yes. If you are smart enough like them, Malik. Not only smart enough, if you are working hard for it. So yeah, this is all. حوات ندحر كيدكم أبتناي Grant Cardone كيدكم كتريقوا تخلوهم any ناتو بتعمل follow قبر أنا. Yeah. So you can just follow him. He is right in here. This is his channels. He has almost 2.7 million followers. Hello. His big asset, billions of assets. Hello. Networks كأكبابي. Yeah. should 100 million. Hello. Almost like زيادة half billion. Hello. مالتيو. So that is all. Thanks so much. I don't know if we're almost ساعتنا 45. This is how we can do. Let's move forward. And then together we can make a difference. Thank you. Thank you guys. All right, I'll see you next time.